Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some boneless, skinless chicken thighs in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. These were $3.49 a pound, so $9.25 for these. I've been eating on these for a couple of days. So we'll open them up here. And if you haven't seen these before, they kind of open up. You know, they're boneless, skinless. So, and they usually have like a little bit extra fat on spots. So what I'll do is rinse this off. And sometimes you can kind of pull some of that excess fat off of there. Three of these fit perfectly in my 10-inch cast iron skillet here. It's lightly oiled. I'm going to season these with this Kinder's Mild Barbecue Rub on both sides. But you can season them any way you like. You can just use some salt and pepper or any seasoning that you like. I have the oven rack in the center of the oven. And I'm going to use the air roast setting for this. I've tried air fry, but I think they come out a little moister on air roast, so I'm going to go with that. It's been about 17 or 18 minutes, and I think these are probably done. The oven was set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if I said that. I'm going to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on these. I'll check the internal temperature of these real quick. It should be about 175 degrees Fahrenheit to be done. And we're, yeah, about in the 180s, so we're good. Okay, I have some Kinder's Mild Barbecue sauce here. I'm going to brush some of this on. This bottle's almost gone, but I got an extra bottle sitting there. Alrighty. Brush the sauce on there, and then I'll put it back in the oven for a couple minutes just to let it caramelize a little. Alright, we'll get that in there for a couple more minutes. There we go. This should be good. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, it looks real good. It turned out with some pretty good color to it for boneless, skinless. Let's see how this is. It should just kind of pull apart here. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Sometimes you can just pull those little pieces of fat off with your fingers. Alright, let's try that out. Not quite as good as the grill, but that turned out pretty decent. This is kind of a fatty piece right there. I bet you Annie will like that one. Inhaled. You could do that with bone-in thighs too, although the cooking time would probably be a little bit longer, not sure quite how much. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.